Hello everyone, this is Primus Nkembetang. My presentation today is all about my hobby, which is cooking. So I'm gonna be telling you how I love to cook. Anyway, I love to cook. What about you? Do you guys love to cook? I believe some of you do. Okay, let's go. Do you eat to live, or you live to eat? This is a question posed each and every time, probably, in inspirational, talks and stuff like that. But based on my opinion, I eat to live. I develop, the interest to cook, when I'm always in the kitchen with my mom, so she gets to involve me in cooking, like to send me to get stuff for her. And, in the process of cooking, I'm pretty much an observation kid, so I get to observe so many things that she did, and that's how I develop an interest in cooking. So far so good. I've been doing so well. As you can see, I mostly cook, probably, most of my best dishes are during summer. I don't only cook, I grill as well as I bake, and I do a whole lot of stuff. And before I do those, I like to get all my preparation in place. As you can see, I have like other ingredients that I already have in place. I have onion, tomatoes, and lettuce, green beans, and I like to cook a lot of turkey. I love turkey because it's quite healthy. Other than beef, who might give you gout along the line, which I've come across so many people in the healthcare field, and it scares me a lot. Along the line, I like to bake a lot of fish and soya. Soya is a name coming from Cameroon. We do it with a lot of seasoning, with pepper and a whole lot of seasoning that's from Cameroon, as well as same seasoning can be used in roasting the fish, and they all both taste very good. And continually, since I do roast a lot of fish, this is what we call bobolo. It's made out of cassava. It's being soaked in water for like 2 to 3 days. Once it's soft, you drain it and you leave it for a day to ferment, and you tie it in these leaves, and you boil it probably for 5 to 10 minutes, and you're good to go. Okay, let's continue with the roasted barbecue. This is what I do a whole lot of summer during, weekends, when I'm not working. And I have a lot of friends being invited that comes over, for us to have a good time. And I do grill a lot of chicken as well. And it's very tasteful because I do it with a lot of the jack seasoning from Jamaica. Continually, I do a lot of tomato sauce and rice. That's one of my best dishes that I do most of the time. When my wife asks me in order to assist her in the kitchen, that's what I do best, so she don't get to bother a whole lot about this. Like I said, during summertime, I do a whole lot of, cooking and grilling, baking, and, barbecuing and stuff. So friends come over, I do have a pool, and this is how we party and we have a good time. So all along during the summertime, I'm busy in the weekend, entertaining friends. We're all having a good time. And that's the end. Thanks for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy watching my post. Thank you.